Hello everyone. Are you seeking to safeguard your precious eyes from the digital world's glare and provide them with the care they truly deserve? Well, you've come to the right place. In our fast-paced lives, glued to screens and battling pollution, our eyes bear the brunt. However, nature has some fantastic secrets to offer for our eye health. Today, we're delving into the world of herbs. Yes, you heard it right. 3 remarkable herbs that are not merely folklore, but are supported by science to protect and even restore your vision. Interested in discovering which herbs can become your eye's best allies? Eager to incorporate them into your daily routine and witness the difference firsthand? Ready to grant your eyes the natural boost they've been longing for? Without further ado, let's dive in. Number 1. Turmeric. Turmeric, renowned for its vibrant color and distinctive flavor, has long been esteemed in traditional medicine for its numerous health benefits. Among its many virtues, turmeric offers notable advantages for eye health, thanks to its active compound, curcumin. Let's delve into the remarkable benefits of turmeric for ocular wellness. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a common denominator in many eye conditions, including age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and diabetic retinopathy. Curcumin, the primary bioactive component in turmeric, possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties. By inhibiting inflammatory pathways, turmeric helps mitigate inflammation within the eyes, potentially alleviating symptoms and preventing further damage. Antioxidant activity. Oxidative stress is a significant contributor to eye diseases like cataracts and glaucoma. Turmeric's antioxidant properties counteract oxidative damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Curcumin scavenges these reactive oxygen species, safeguarding ocular tissues and supporting overall eye health. Neuroprotective effects. Optic nerve health is crucial for maintaining clear vision. Curcumin's neuroprotective properties aid in preserving optic nerve function by reducing inflammation and promoting nerve regeneration. This can potentially enhance visual acuity and protect against conditions like optic neuropathy. Improved blood circulation. Adequate blood flow is essential for nourishing the eyes and removing waste products. Turmeric enhances blood circulation by dilating blood vessels and reducing vascular inflammation. This improved blood flow ensures that the eyes receive an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients, promoting optimal eye health. Relief for dry eyes. Dry eye syndrome can cause discomfort and vision disturbances due to inadequate tear production or poor tear quality. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and lubricating properties may offer relief for individuals with dry eyes. By reducing inflammation in the tear glands and promoting tear secretion, turmeric helps alleviate symptoms and improve eye comfort. Protection against AMD. Age-related macular degeneration is a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Studies suggest that curcumin may protect against AMD by inhibiting the formation of drusen, the hallmark of the disease, and reducing retinal inflammation. Turmeric's support for retinal health may help preserve central vision and delay disease progression. Glaucoma management. Glaucoma, characterized by optic nerve damage and increased intraocular pressure, can lead to irreversible vision loss if left untreated. Turmeric's neuroprotective and anti-inflammatory properties may be beneficial for individuals with glaucoma. By reducing intraocular pressure and protecting retinal cells, turmeric supports ocular health and may slow disease progression. Support for retinal health. The retina plays a vital role in converting light into visual signals. Turmeric's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects protect the retina from oxidative damage and inflammation. By preserving retinal function, turmeric may help prevent retinal degenerative diseases and maintain good vision. Incorporating turmeric into your diet or taking supplements may offer various benefits for eye health. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have existing eye conditions or are taking medications. Additionally, be mindful of potential interactions between turmeric supplements and other medications. Number 2. Marigold, known for its vibrant golden blooms, is not just a sight to behold, but also a treasure trove of health benefits, particularly for eye health. Marigold, specifically its flower petals and extracts, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine for its remarkable therapeutic effects. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into the remarkable benefits of marigold extract for eye health and how it can contribute to maintaining optimal vision and ocular wellness. Antioxidant powerhouse. Marigold contains potent antioxidants, including flavonoids, carotenoids, specifically lutein and zeaxanthin, and various polyphenols. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, including those generated in the eyes due to exposure to ultraviolet, UV radiation, environmental toxins, and metabolic processes. By scavenging free radicals, marigold extract protects ocular tissues from oxidative damage, thereby supporting eye health and reducing the risk of age-related eye diseases. Protection against macular degeneration. Age-related macular degeneration, AMD, is a leading cause of vision loss among older adults. It is characterized by damage to the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for sharp, central vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin, two key carotenoids found in marigold extract, accumulate in the macula and act as natural filters, protecting it from harmful blue light and oxidative stress. Regular consumption of marigold extract may help reduce the risk of AMD and preserve central vision. Improved visual function. Lutein and zeaxanthin, present abundantly in marigold extract, play a crucial role in maintaining optimal visual function. These carotenoids are selectively taken up by the retina, where they help absorb excess light and prevent phototoxicity. By enhancing visual contrast sensitivity and glare recovery, lutein and zeaxanthin contribute to sharper vision and improved visual performance, especially in low-light conditions. Protection against cataracts. Cataracts, a common age-related eye condition, occur when the lens of the eye becomes cloudy, leading to blurred vision and visual impairment. Oxidative stress and the accumulation of damaged proteins in the lens contribute to cataract formation. The antioxidant properties of marigold extract help counteract oxidative damage and inhibit the formation of cataracts. Regular supplementation with marigold extract may help delay the onset and progression of cataracts, preserving clear vision. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is implicated in the pathogenesis of many eye diseases, including dry eye syndrome, uveitis, and diabetic retinopathy. Marigold extract exhibits potent anti-inflammatory properties, modulating inflammatory signaling pathways and reducing the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines. By alleviating ocular inflammation, marigold extract helps relieve symptoms associated with inflammatory eye conditions and promotes ocular comfort and wellness. Number 3. One particular herb that often goes unnoticed but holds remarkable benefits for eye health is the dandelion. Renowned for its nutrient-rich composition, the dandelion transcends its reputation as a common weed, emerging as a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals crucial for maintaining optimal eye function. Dandelion serves as an excellent source of vitamin A, a pivotal nutrient essential for preserving eye health. Vitamin A plays a vital role in supporting good vision, particularly in low-light conditions, and is indispensable for color differentiation. Its deficiency can lead to severe issues such as night blindness and contribute to the development of various vision impairments. By incorporating dandelion into your diet, you can proactively address these concerns, leveraging its abundant reserves of vitamin A. However, the benefits of dandelion extend beyond its vitamin A content. This versatile herb also boasts significant levels of vitamin C and E, integral components of the body's antioxidant defense system. These vitamins play a crucial role in safeguarding ocular tissues against oxidative stress, a contributing factor to numerous eye diseases. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, dandelion helps protect the eyes from oxidative damage and supports overall eye health. Additionally, dandelion leaves serve as a natural source of lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids known for their specific benefits for ocular health. These compounds accumulate in the retina, offering protection against the harmful effects of high-energy light waves, such as ultraviolet rays. By acting as antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin help maintain the integrity of the eye, particularly the macula, essential for sharp central vision. Emerging research underscores their potential in reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, prevalent causes of vision impairment among older adults. By integrating dandelion into your dietary regimen, you can access a readily available source of these invaluable eye-protecting nutrients. Moreover, dandelion's traditional use in herbal medicine extends to its detoxifying properties, offering additional benefits for eye health. Its diuretic effects facilitate the elimination of toxins from the body, reducing stress on the eyes and promoting clearer vision and overall well-being. However, it's imperative to exercise caution when incorporating diuretic herbs like dandelion into your routine, ensuring adequate hydration and electrolyte balance to support your body's needs. In conclusion, dandelion stands as a nutritional powerhouse, offering a holistic approach to promoting eye health and supporting optimal vision. From its abundance of essential vitamins to its antioxidant-rich composition and detoxifying effects, dandelion embodies a natural solution for maintaining ocular wellness. Whether consumed as a culinary ingredient or enjoyed as a herbal remedy, dandelion holds the potential to enhance eye health and contribute to long-term visual clarity and vitality. It's important to remember that integrating these herbs into your lifestyle goes beyond mere eye care. It's a holistic approach to overall well-being. Whether you choose to incorporate them into your diet, take supplements, or enjoy them in the form of tea, there's a method for everyone to reap the benefits of these natural wonders. Regular breaks from screens, maintaining proper eye hygiene, and scheduling annual checkups with a professional are all crucial aspects of eye care. Achieving balance is key, ensuring that we provide our eyes with the care and attention they deserve. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey. If you found this information helpful, don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into natural health and wellness.